Namaskar, good morning, and how are you today? This is Dr. Beena Wagle of Samarth Wellness Clinics, and I've come to give you this short video about the Desi superfoods as I had promised. The first in the series of Desi superfoods is turmeric, or it is haldi. Hindi में भी मराठी पण. And what is so good about haldi? I have to keep it quick. So first is it contains a compound called curcuminoids or curcumin, which is a compound which has got multiple benefits. Okay, it is like a polycrest. Okay, so so many benefits. So the absorption of curcumin is just 3%. Now, how do you get everything from 3%? So what you do is a trick. You add black pepper along with your haldi, and this will increase its absorption by 100-fold. Okay, so this is a secret that I've told you now. If you want the best out of your haldi, then add black pepper along with it. Okay, this will also give you, well, I'm doing black pepper, probably you would know, but it will also break down the fats in the fatty food that you're eating and make it easier to absorb. So black pepper is a secret to be used along with haldi. They are best friends. Okay, now what are these multiple benefits that haldi has? Okay, so haldi is an anti-inflammatory. So anti-inflammatory. So what is inflammation? We are hearing a lot about anti-inflammatory. So what is inflammation? Inflammation is a process in which there is burning, redness, swelling, ये सब जब बॉडी में होता है, योर बॉडी इज नॉट बीइंग ऑप्टिमल. या सो बर्निंग, रेडनेस, स्वेलिंग, पेन. ओके, सो इसको अगर कम करना है, दैट द बेस्ट वे टू डू इट इज टू कंज्यूम curcumin or to consume haldi. So it helps, it's an anti-inflammatory. And how does it work? Now there is an NF-kB pathway which this one will control. Okay, this molecule of haldi controls the pathway and reduces the inflammation or blocks it. Yeah, so it's such a wonderful spice that we have in our kitchens. Okay, the West is awakening to it very recently, but हम युगों से इसको यूज़ करते आ रहे हैं. इंडियन फूड इज़ द बेस्ट फूड बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ बैलेंस of everything that we need. Okay, second, I can talk for hours on Indian food and our spices, but I have to keep it short. Oxidation is a process which causes destruction of cells in your body. Okay, so which will give you sagging skin, wrinkles, graying of hair, aging. Okay, so antioxidant properties अगर कोई चीज़ में है, it is like a beauty recipe. So if you want glowing skin, if you want nice thick hair, if you want your joints to be agile and flexible, curcumin or turmeric is the spice for you. Second, the third property is it prevents heart disease. Again, an inflammation, so it will prevent heart disease, which is on a epic scale now in India. So Indians, please beware and start using more of haldi in your food. It also prevents or reduces the symptoms of Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a brain degeneration disease where you lose your memory and other faculties. So if you know anybody or if you want to prevent Alzheimer's, then the best remedy would be haldi. Okay, it is also preventive in cancer. It helps in reducing inflammation in cancer. It is a great mood booster. Okay, so if it's a great mood booster, what would it do? It would help in reducing depression or avoiding depression. Okay, then it also helps in arthritis. It's a very restrictive, painful joint disease, and we can completely avoid it by using simple haldi in our diet. सो हळद जेवढी वापराल तेवढं तुम्हाला आर्थरायटिस आणि जॉईंट पेन्स कमी होणार. पोस्टपार्टम टॉनिक, ऑल आर ajis, dadis and nanis have been giving us हल्दी वाला दूध पोस्टपार्टम, या फिर हळदीचं पाणी, या फिर हल्दी in most of the foods that we were given. Why was it? It was because it is an antiseptic, it helps in internal healing, it increases your immunity, it helps in boosting your beauty. So postpartum tonic haldi is excellent. It is also an aphrodisiac, so it boosts your sexual energy, and it's a very simple medicine from our kitchen which would go a long way in helping with this. If you have sleep problems, if you're not sleeping well, or if you have disturbed sleep, turmeric latte, yeah, doodh, haldi wala doodh, which we've been having for ages, is the remedy for it, right? So you can have thoda sa pinch of haldi in your warm milk with a little bit of honey and a pinch of jaifal, okay, or nutmeg. It is also a beauty aid, and it prevents degenerative disorders of the eyes. Okay, so many benefits to one simple spice from our kitchen, turmeric, haldi. Huh? How does it work, or how can I inculcate it into my day to day life? So हमारे खाने में essentially हल्दी पड़ती ही है. So we use it as a colorant in our foods. We use it to take off certain smells from certain strong smelling foods like fish or meats. But you can also enrich your ghee by putting a haldi wala patta in it when you're boiling it. Or you can use it with milk. You can apply it externally, of course, but I am a person who advocates internalizing or internal nourishment more than giving it, that external application. So these are a lot of benefits that we have from haldi, the first desi superfood that I'm going to talk about. And there was one question that many of you had asked: how much is too much in haldi? Yeah. So how much is too much? Less than 10 grams is the requirement for each person. Yeah. So if you are having lots of haldi, then trust me, a lot of diseases, disorders, beauty supplements will reduce from your repertoire, and you will be glowing and healthy with just a normal simple spice from our kitchen. So that's the first desi superfood, turmeric, and I hope I've been of help to you. Have a great day. See you soon with the second desi superfood, that would be ghee. Bye bye. Have a great day.